Hello, welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. That's Liquitex Gold, Golden Magenta, Matisse Australian Sky Blue, Carbon Black, Prussian Blue, a custom purple, and my Cell Activator, which is Australian Floetrol, and Payne's Gray, 3-1. I really love this little lady. She turned out to be pretty moody. I love the little cells popping as I blow. And let me know what you think. I love layering black in between colors. I think it really gives a really nice contrast. So let me know what you think of this moody lady. Talk to you later. Bye.